All right, 712 Pennsylvania Avenue here in Wallingford, PA. And as always, taking the shots. So we'll have the drone footage. There's multiple parks nearby. So Hepford Park is legitimately right down the street, as is Nether Providence Elementary School. That has quite a few fields. And also just kind of a hop, skip, and a jump away from 352 there in Brookhaven. That has the newer Lowe's, the Starbucks, the Chick-fil-A, and countless other stores. They really have built up that area. So that's it. You know, great school districts here in Wallingford, Swarthmore, and this house is deceiving in a good way. I'll say it when we get to the boots on the ground tour, but this house is massive. It is a true, in my opinion, 4-bedroom house with a basement and 2 yards. So you can see from the aerial footage right there, it's it's impressive. And also too, there's another house we have right down the street that is also listed. So who knows, possible package deal for you. But that's it. Let's get the boots in the ground tour started now.
All right, 712 Pennsylvania here in Wallingford. And I gotta tell you, this is one of the most impressive properties here in Garden City, because we have this whole yard, we got a shed, but I'm gonna jump right here. You have a whole yard over here too. And this is just the outside. wait until you get inside. So look at this, fenced in. Really well kept. Here's the AC unit. Get some more information. That goes into a bedroom, just so you can piece it together. And I'll spin around here and show you this. Yeah, I'm thoroughly impressed by this one. A lot of these in here are all different designs, but this one is massive when you get in the inside. So here we go. So plenty of parking. Again, I'll show you this side yard here. You see the shed. And I assume, always check, you know, and do your due diligence, but I assume this could even be fenced in if you wanted. So another nice spot there. And here we go, in the front door. We'll pop off our shoes and go from here. So nice foyer as soon as we walk in. Beautiful foyer. And current tenant keeps this place amazing. So you heard from me first. Look at this. Impressive. So giant living room. We'll take you around here. Beautiful kitchen here. Excellent use of space for dining in there. Gas cooking. See how well kept it is. This looks right out there for that yard where we just were. So I'll spin around. Really nice sill too for putting certain pieces there. There you go. Decent cabinets. Neat and clean. I mean, I can't stress that enough. Super neat and super clean. I will show you everything just so you know. So this is the laundry room. Again, the heater. So you got a gas water heater. And there's the Goodman for the HVAC. So washer and dryer and your electric panel. So a lot of space here. Again, just being utilized right now. But take that in. Wow. This one, again, never know until you walk in. So let's keep a running count. So this is what I'm going to call bedroom number 1. So this goes out to that yard, just so you can see where we are, piece it together. That'll take you right out to the yard. So this is bedroom number 1, kind of being used as, you know, an additional living room. Closet. So you can see deep closet. That might be 5 or 6 feet back. And a linen closet here. And that is a huge closet. Look at that. Again, massive. So just thinking ahead, if they could repurpose that, that's a lot of space. You could almost add another bathroom. Speaking of, here's bathroom number 1. So just to recap, we saw 1 bedroom, I'm going to call it, and take this in. Here's the foyer. This is basically the basement. So you can go down and then walk out here, and that's the door that takes you to that additional side yard. So really high ceilings once you go all the way down. And you can see, even with this stuff in here, there's plenty of additional space. So there we are. Back to the foyer, we're gonna head up. Look at this, you don't feel cramped, plenty of room, additional nook here and storage. Really like this ledge with the hardwood. And then up here, so you have, again, additional living space. Set up almost like a secondary living room. So there we are. All right, let's just do this. Had to move some things around. So this is bedroom number 2, the way I'm gonna call it. There you are. Back out of there. Bedroom number 3, bedroom number 4. So you have 4 bedrooms here technically. I want to split hairs. And look at how this is updated. So we'll even bring this back, show you, because that is a jetted tub. Fantastic. Good space, not cramped. Take you into this bedroom. Take you all the way in, you can see the windows. Somewhat newer vinyl. There we are. Spin around. There's the closet, ceiling fan. And then look at the size of it. Well, first of all, take this in. This is auxiliary space, in my opinion, elbow room. You can set it up however you want. The current tenant, again, did a fabulous job. And here's that 4th bedroom. So that is a king bed. So it fits in here easily. Big closet. Not gonna joke, but that is a big closet. Bigger than my closet. Yeah, so look at that. Fantastic. Tuck in this corner. Hopefully you can see the whole size of this. Big window there. Again, you want to bring in some natural light. Basically 3 windows. And that's a good place to look down and see the yard. I mean, we're gonna have the drone footage too, of course. But this is impressive. So we'll take you back. Wow. Blown away here. I don't believe I opened this to show you. But yet another closet. So, for Wallingford school districts, you're, it's deceiving. Doesn't look this big on the outside. So we'll take you back down. Nice and slow. Show you the foyer one more time. We'll leave you right here. Then we'll take to the skies.